Hey guys, what's up? How are you all? I hope you all must be fine. So, this video is all about the most important part, that is ABC analysis for CA Final FR. And I'm going to present you the entire ABC analysis. Now, what do you mean by ABC analysis? For May 22 attempt, I have prepared the ABC analysis topic wise and marks wise. What I did, I checked all the past exam papers May 18 to December 21, and based on the past pattern, exam pattern, I have categorized all the topics of FR financial reporting into three categories. Category 1 A, category 2 B, third category is C. Now A category is the most important thing and which covers approximately 70% marks of the entire paper, 65 to 70 marks. B category is like question may come from that topic, may not come from that topic. It covers approx 30 marks, 35 marks. You know what? Total marks covered in FR paper are 120 to 124, including optional. And C category is the least important topic, which we can leave also if we are short of time. All right. So this is based on the past pattern and this is my view. All right. You can follow or you cannot follow, whatever you want. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about this ABC analysis. The entire list, the PDF file of this list is, you can download it from the description of this video. You can take this PDF file from the description. Even I have shared this ABC analysis on my Telegram channel and Telegram group of VSmart and Jay Chawla. The links of Telegram groups and Telegram channels are also in the description box. All right. One more thing, apart also, like I will definitely discuss this first of all. Then I will discuss some exam preparation strategies also for May 22. How you need to prepare, what to cover, how to cover, and in what ways you can get the exemption. All right. And the third thing I'm going to discuss at last of this video is something about the new development by us, that is Smart Digital Book, which I'm giving free of cost to all students, irrespective of my students or VSmart student, that doesn't matter. So yes, so three things we are going to discuss in this video. First of all, ABC analysis, second exam strategy, and third about Smart Digital Chart Book. All right. So try to understand. I have prepared this ABC analysis based on module wise, modules offered by ICAI. See, ICAI offer 4 modules, module 1, module 2, module 3 and module 4. As per ICAI, the entire course is covered into these 4 modules. All right. So now let me explain you in details. See, in module 1, what are the topics which are covered? Framework, Ind AS 1, Ind AS 7, 8, 10, 34, 113, 20, 102, 101, 115. Mostly the miscellaneous or the not so important topics are there in module 1. Except 115 and 102. All right. Yes, analysis of financial statement is actually comes from module 4, but I have covered in module 1 because it is something related to Ind AS 1 also. So based on this, if you see this, I will discuss A category more emphasizedly. Okay, I will emphasize on A category especially. B and C category you can deal with yourself. So I will deal into this. If we talk about framework, the first chapter, from this first chapter, no, only one time in November 19 has been asked. So I make it as category C. Now let us focus on category A only, first of all. So what are the A category topics? A category topics are Ind AS 1 and analysis of financial statements. Why it becomes A category? See, 20 marks, 12 marks, then 4 marks. It is a category topic. Also, analysis of financial statement is a very simple topic. Under this topic, institute will give you 10 marks, 12 marks, 14 marks question covering balance sheet and some schedules, and they will ask you to rectify the information contained in that financial statement, to correct the financial statement and prepare the rectified financial statements based on the Ind AS compliance. So what you need to do is you just need to prepare a revised balance sheet based on the Ind AS and based on Schedule 3 compliance. That's it. Okay. I will launch a particular video on this. I have discussed one question especially on this, and I will discuss it, I will upload it on YouTube. Next A category is Ind AS 102. Ind AS 102. Every time they used to ask the question 10, 8, 8, 8, 5, 12, 12, 6. Every time they used to ask the question. Sir, what type of questions? Because under Ind AS 2 share-based payment, there are so many variety. Equity settled questions, cash settled options, equity with cash alternative, cancellation of options, modifications. So let me tell you one thing. They are more focusing on either equity with cash alternative, both the things, or sometimes cash options only, sometimes equity settled questions only. Only one time they asked cancellation of option question. We discuss in our class also, and it is from ICAI module. Yes, what is not asked till date? Modification of ESOP. So modification of ESOP is the topic which is not yet asked till date. So you can definitely focus on that also. All right. The next A category topic is Ind AS 115, of course, obviously. But now in this Ind AS 115, I have categorized, all the topics of Ind AS 115 are subdivided into these parts. Step 1, you know what, revenue recognition, for which there are 5-step model. So step 1, questions from step 1 model, step 2 model, step 3 model, step 4 model, step 5 model, and some miscellaneous things. So if you see, out of from step 1 nothing has been asked, from step 2 nothing has been asked, from step 3 maximum questions are asked from step number 3, 14, 12, 10. Now you will be surprised, sir, in starting of 2 attempts no question has been asked in 115. No, not like that, because 115 was applicable from May 19 attempt itself. So you should not count these 2 attempts. So you should not count these attempts. So out of 6 attempts, step 5 marks in May 19, then other miscellaneous topics like cost part, how to recognize the cost. 2 type of cost are there: cost to fulfill the contract, cost to obtain the contract. You remember, repurchase agreements, agents principles, okay, service concession arrangements. So this is it. In 3 attempts the questions are asked from the step number 3 model. So it is very important. Step number 4, one time question is asked from step number 4. One time the question is asked from step number 5. I must say step number 3 and step number 4 are very important, and they can ask the question out of these 2 also, the mixed question. All right. Other miscellaneous topics, I must say, I recommend you this time, please concentrate into 2 things especially. One, service concession arrangements, and the second, they have introduced a new thing, intellectual property rights, intellectual properties, the license of intellectual properties. So covered these 2 things especially. So yes, ultimately this is a 8 category topic. Under this also, more focus should be on step 3, step 4, and miscellaneous part. All right. So this is it, module 1. If you summarize, so module 1, A category covers approx you can say like 10 marks, 10, 20, and here also 10, but I must say approx 25 marks are from A category. You know what? If you are short of the time, if you don't have enough time to cover the entire subject, or at the time you are listening to this lecture, suppose you are still you have not completed your syllabus, what you can do? You can try to cover the A category topics first of all. Yes, you can try to cover the A category topics first of all, whether or not you are my student. I'm just telling you just an opinion. Cover the A category topics first of all. And if you are not comfortable, if you are short of the time, if you are not done with the completion of entire syllabus, understood? If you have already completed the entire syllabus, just revise the you have two options for the revision purpose. Follow the sequence given by your faculty for the revision, or follow this sequence also. You can follow this sequence also. Like, first of all, take A category topics. First of all, you will be able to cover 70% of the course, then B, then C. All right. So module 1 covers approx 25 marks out of A category topic, which can come definitely in the exam. The next module is basically the asset based Ind AS. The next module 2 is asset based Ind AS, which covers Ind AS 2 inventory, Ind AS 16 property, plant and equipment, 23, 36, 38, 40, 41, 105, 41 is agriculture, 116 leases. So if you can see, A category topics are this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. A category topic means Ind AS 16, 23, 36. Why? Ind AS 16 is like all-time favorite. How? They may not ask a straightforward question from Ind AS 16. Maybe the question of the mixed question covering Ind AS 16 and Ind AS 21 foreign exchange, the mixed question covering Ind AS 16 and Ind AS 40 already asked in the past exams can come. Ind AS 16 with Ind AS 8, Ind AS 16 with Ind AS 23. Like they can ask the mixed questions, and they can include Ind AS 16 in it. So Ind AS 16 is the all-time favorite question. They can cover this Ind AS 16 with some other Ind AS also. So this is very important. This is the reason. Decommissioning part is important in this Ind AS 16. Ind AS 23. Why I am telling you that Ind AS 23 is important A category, even though Institute has asked only single time, only one time. The question from Ind AS 16, Ind AS 23 is asked only once in last 8 attempts. Still, why I am telling you this is important? See, if they have not asked it, that means the chances will definitely be higher. As per my view, the chances will definitely be higher. So they may ask the question from Ind AS 23. According to me, it should be a category topic. Ind AS 36, from past 3 attempts, Ind AS 30 topic like Ind AS 36 impairment is a very important topic. And I must say it is a favorite, one of the favorite topic of Institute. But Institute has not asked any single question in the past 3 attempts. So ultimately it becomes a very important for May 22. So it is a category topic. Next, Ind AS 105. Same goes with 105. 105 not asked in it has been asked, but only twice in the last 8 attempts, and not asked since 4 attempts, like 2 years. So ultimately it becomes very important. Ind AS 105. 116, definitely the question will definitely come from this topic, the all-time favorite topic of Institute also. So in this 116, we have subdivided into 4 categories. Lessors point of view, questions from lessors based question, lessees based question, COVID-19 होगा ये, COVID-10 नहीं, sorry for the mistake, COVID-19 rent concession based questions, or sale and lease back. So again I must say, starting 4 attempts, please do not count starting 4 attempts, because Ind AS 116 was launched from November 20 onwards. So in November 20, sale and leaseback was asked. In January 21, 6 marks question for lessors were asked. COVID-19 rent concession, July. With December में in the books of lessee. So every time they have asked in these questions from Ind AS 116, and every category is entirely covered. For December exam, for upcoming May 22 exam, I must say, please focus on the modification part, especially the modification in the books of lessee and the modification in the books of lessor. Your focus should be on modification part. What is not yet asked, the modification part. The sublease part is also not yet asked. So focus on these 2 especially. Okay, so this is a category topic. So if I count it, on an average 5, 8 and 5, 13 and 8, 21, 21 and approximately 8. 21 and 8, 29. Asset based Ind AS 25 to 30 marks. A category. A category topics approximately 25 to 30 marks. So you can follow these, you can cover these important Ind AS. Others are B category. No one is from C category. I can't allot C category to any standard from module 2. All right. Okay. Now come to module 3. Under module 3, A category topic is Ind AS 19, employee benefits. The most important thing is the thing about employee benefit, they haven't asked even a single question from this standard for long-term benefit plans and post-employment benefit plans. Only 2 times the question has been asked in the last 8 attempts, and that too from short-term benefit employee benefits. Very, very interesting thing is they haven't asked any single question from long-term benefit plans, DBO, defined benefit obligations. Understood? So that part is very important, and they have not asked. It is very much important. So I must say they can ask this time, May 22. The next is A category topic, which is Ind AS 21, foreign exchange. Obviously it is again this topic, they can ask this topic with the mix with the help of some other standard also, like with Ind AS 16, Ind AS 40, Ind AS 8. They can ask this topic. Please try to cover under Ind AS 21. There is one important topic, net investment in foreign operation. I must say that is a very interesting part, net investment in foreign operation, and you should cover it. The next is Ind AS 33, earnings per share. If you see this, in last 2 attempts, continuously last 2 attempts, they are asking the question. Still I have marked it as A category. In the December attempt, they have asked continuing EPS from continuing and discontinuing operations. Please try to focus on diluted earning per share question and try to cover each and every question of diluted earning per share. Even there are some special questions regarding earning per share in case of parent subsidiaries. Parent subsidiary. Cover that questions especially. All right. Then financial instrument, obviously financial instrument, A category. One thing is more interesting about financial instrument. Please see this. Under financial instrument, you will see under financial instruments, you will see like in May 18, 16 marks question was asked. Then November 18, 16 marks. Then May 19, 12 marks. Then November, which one is November 19? Yes, November 19, 10 marks. Then May 20 was cancelled exam, it is not covered. Then November 20, 6 marks. Sorry, not 6. Wait. 8. Sorry. There is something I need to correct. Again, 16 marks, 16 and 4, 20 marks, 12, 10, 4, 14 marks, 6 and 12, 18 marks, 5 and 4, 19 marks, 11, 14, 25 marks, 5, 12, 12. In December attempt, see 29. Only only this topic covered for 29 marks. Unbelievable. Seriously. If you can make a simple average, then minimum 20 marks will be covered from this single topic, financial instrument. I have categorized this topic into 4 categories: financial asset questions based on financial asset, questions based on debt and equity components, question based on derivative instruments, and question based on some loan to subsidiaries at concessional rate. If you can see properly, maximum time financial asset category and equity debt component category have been asked. Maximum time. Under financial asset category, there is one common question: loan to employee, staff loan or staff advance to employee with modifications or without modification. It is a simple, very common question under financial asset category. Equity debt component, we need to bifurcate into two components. Very simple category, with the modification, without the modification. Derivative only comes twice in the last 8 attempts. Loan to subsidiary comes twice in the last 8 attempts. So starting, these two categories are very, very important. And you can see the marks also. So financial instrument is a very important topic. So for module 3, if I must say, module 3 covers A category. A category topic, approximately 5 marks of Ind AS 19, let us say, then 21 of 5 marks, let us say 10, and 33 8 marks 18, and on an average financial instrument on an average 20. So 18 and 20 38. Oh my god, 38 marks. So A category topics, minimum 38 marks are covered from module 3. Wow. Next is module 4. Under module 4, business combinations, consolidations, joint ventures, associate, joint arrangements, CSR, integrated reporting, all these are covered. Separate financial statements, all these covered. Obviously, see, 103, 110 are the most important topic and they are A category topic. But one thing is very interesting, they haven't asked any single question from Ind AS 110. 110, consolidated financial statement, the theory Ind AS. They have asked the consolidated based questions, but practical questions which comes from Ind AS 103 actually. So no single theory question of Ind AS 110 like based on control definition, based on power definition, based on acquisition, no single question has been asked from Ind AS 110. So cover the Ind AS 110 properly this time. 103 has been subcategorized into these parts like normal consolidation question. In last 8 attempts, 4 times the normal consolidation questions are asked. Normal consolidation, holding, there is one subsidiary, prepare the consolidated balance sheet with the few adjustments. Chain holding question, they asked twice. Oh my god. Demerger based question, only one time in the my 18, it is not so important. Other small question. Now what do you mean by other small question? Sometimes they ask you to calculate the consideration only. Sometimes they ask you to calculate the goodwill capital gain from bargain purchase. Sometimes they ask you to calculate the NCI only. Sometimes any other miscellaneous thing only. So yes. In last attempt, December 21, they asked reverse acquisition also. What is not yet asked from 103, CCBC, Common Control Business Combination, not yet asked in the exams till now. So it becomes very important. That's it. Baki, the situation is in front of you. So yes, Ind AS 27, separate financial statement, not so important topic, no question has been asked from this. Ind AS 28, divided into two categories, investment and associate based questions, investment and joint venture based question. Joint venture based question, see this, no single question is asked from joint venture based question. So they can ask this time. Even in this standard, based on joint venture, there are few important topics also. In investment and associate, 3 times they have asked the question, 20 marks, 6 marks, 5 marks. So this becomes A category. 111, only one 4 marks question has been asked, so not so important, but okay. CSR, all-time favorite topic of institute. CSR has been amended also. Some provisions are amended, so you can refer the institute's material only for CSR, please. So institute material you can refer for CSR, and this is an important topic from institute's point of view. Sometimes they ask the limits, threshold limits. Sometimes they ask the board committee, what are the rules and what and all. Integrated reporting, they have not asked any single question. So if we talk about this module 4, so A category topics are around, on an average, 15 marks or 20 marks. Business combination, C, 20, 20 again, 15 only, 20 again, 8 only, 15, 21, wow, and 19. On an average, 15 to 20 marks are covered. So make it at 15, minimum 15. Then like 6 to 7 marks here, 20, and CSR 5 marks more. So minimum 30 marks. So A category topics from module 4 are minimum covering of 30 marks, covering 30 marks. So these are the things. So how can you take benefit from this ABC analysis? If you are short of time, if you want to revise the things, you can cover A category topics first, B categories, then B, then C category. Okay. Now, one more important thing, sir, for May 22, how we should cover the entire course, what should be the strategy? See, cover minimum at least last 4 attempts, RTPs, MTPs and past exam papers. Minimum last 4 attempts you have to cover last 4 attempts RTPs, MTPs and past exam questions. Last 4 attempts you have to cover. Last 4 attempts you have to cover. Understood? One more important thing. How can you cover these 4 attempts RTPs, MTPs? Either you can go to ICAI website, download each and every RTP and start doing this, start doing practice. Or you have another option. You can purchase my question bank compiler volume 3.0, which I'm going to launch in this month, in the month of February 2020. In this question bank compiler, all the RTP questions right from May 18 to December 21 attempt, all MTP questions for the same period, all past examination questions for the same period, along with the solutions are covered in this question bank compiler. So you don't need to download each and every RTP, MTP and search which topic has been asked. Topic wise questions are compiled in this question bank compiler. I'm not committing, but maybe I'm going to launch some videos, free videos on this question bank compiler too in the near coming future. So cover minimum 4 attempt RTP, MTP and past exam questions. You can take the ICAI website also. Okay. Mock test. Mock test is a very important part of your entire curriculum. You have covered your course, you have revised the course, but you should understand that without test, how will you got to know that you are okay with the things, how the things are going on, or what is the status? So basically, I must recommend you minimum 1 mock test and maximum 2 mock tests for each subject you should give. Any mock test, either the mock test of ICAI, but see, ICAI will not check your answers. So you can purchase the mock test from us or any other institute. I'm not forcing you to purchase from us. You can just focus on mock test especially, so that your copies should be checked by the expert and they will tell you the evaluations, they will guide you. All right. So one important thing is cover last 4 attempt RTP, MTP past exams. Cover, try to give the mock test also in the month of, especially in the month of April, March, April. FR revision. How you can go with the revision? See, first revision, you can give allot 20 to 25 days to the FR. I am assuming that you will not take FR only for the entire day, or for a single day in a particular 24 hours. Obviously you can take 2 subjects at a time. So if you are taking 2 subjects at a time and you are giving 7 hours daily to FR, so based on 7 hours to 8 hours, you can allot 20 to 25 days for first revision. And now first revision 20 to 25 days is only for those students who have already done their course. But some students who have not completed their course, who are not done with the course, then what? I'll come to them. So first revision 20 to 25 days. Take A category topics first of all. From A category topics, please try to practice in written form. Try to practice in written form. Understood or not? B and C category, like you can just see the questions, just look into the questions and discuss the questions only. But A category topics, try to focus on writing practice, question solving practice. Second revision should be of 7 to 10 days. Second revision should be of 7 to 10 days if you are giving minimum 8 to 10 hours in a day. 8 hours in a day, 7 to 10 days. Sir, what about those students who have not yet completed their course? Suppose you are going to complete your course by February ending or March first week. Then also you can revise the subject with only 1 revision and then take the mock test. So there your single revision should be in 15 days minimum, 15 days minimum, with whole day FR study. Understood? In the same sequence, A category topic first and B and C then. Last but not the least, I have uploaded some free videos, free resources, free videos on our YouTube channel, like free videos on business combinations and consolidations. There are 5 to 6 lectures are there. Some more videos on this there. Even I have uploaded some chart revision videos, but chart revision videos are in Hindi, of course. So all of any student who is comfortable in understanding Hindi, they can watch the chart revision lectures. Chart revision lectures are covered from my chart book. Chart book is definitely in English. You can purchase the chart book. Chart book is very it is listed on our website at very lowest price. I think 500 to 600 rupees it will cost you, but definitely it will definitely give you benefit, and you will be able to increase your marks by minimum of 15 marks. So purchase the chart book. It is must recommended from my side that you should purchase the chart book. And if you are comfortable in Hindi, you can watch the lectures, free lectures also. About a smart digital book. Yes, this time I have launched the same chart book in digital form. Yes, in digital form, and we call it a smart digital book of Ind AS, chart book of Ind AS. Now how it covers? I'll tell you how it will benefit you. Of course, the lectures I have taken from this chart book are in Hindi, so I have already told you that those who are comfortable in understanding Hindi, you can watch. Now, see, all the lectures on chart book are already listed on our YouTube channels. But suppose there's a one lecture of 2 hours, and in that 2 hours we cover 4 to 5 different topics from financial instrument. Now suppose you are stuck in particular topic and you couldn't understood, or you want to see my video for that particular topic only. Now what you have to do, you have to first go to the YouTube, then you have to search the respective lecture on that. Then on searching the lecture, out of 2 hours you have to make forward, like where is the topic which I want to understand. Basically what we used to do in YouTube comment section, we used to tag each and every topic, है ना? What we did is we developed a very interesting thing, and which is called digital chart book, FR digital chart book. Now this FR digital chart book will cover every topic. Okay, now suppose you want to understand investment in associates joint venture or business combination. Now you already know that business combination covers so many things. You are stuck in a particular thing. So business combination, click here. Business combination, click here. This is the cover page of the digital chart book. Scroll from left to right, right to left, sorry. Now see this. If you can see this, basics is the first topic, then 4 elements is the second topic, then measurement period, the third topic, and for each and every topic, play video option is there. Play video option is there. Can you see this? Play video option is there. A special adjustment inside this, play video option is there. So if you are stuck in, suppose, treatment of dividend, you want to understand the treatment of dividend. Now what you need to do, you need to go to the YouTube channel. You need to search the particular video, then search this part. So don't need to do all this. Just out of this book, just press the play video option given here. Press the play video option. My internet may be slow right now, so it takes time, but definitely it will not take time in your mobile phones. So what it will give you, it will give you the respective dividend topic in the screen, on the screen. So you can watch the same on the screen only. my internet must be slow right now, and that is the reason I have recorded this lecture. I am not taking the live session of this, so this takes some time, lot of time, of course I can understand, but if you can try this in your mobile phone also. This will not take much time. So we'll try with another topic. Play video, impairment of goodwill. Let us see. I don't know why it takes some time. All right, anyways, so this is the smart digital book where each and every topic is there for reading, and against the topic there is play video option for each and every topic. You can watch the video same time. So this is the thing which I'm going to announce. I have announced it already. I'm going to launch it on our website. You just need to go to the website, our website, just register yourself at free of cost. Don't worry, register yourself with the free of cost. You will get the link to access these smart books. Okay, so how to access these smart books, I will definitely make a special video on this separately in the future, and I will tell you how to access these books. This is given free of cost from my side. Okay, so this is it. Yes, if this entire video is helpful for you, then please share this, please like this, please subscribe the channel and share it with your all friends, at least minimum 5 to 10 friends. Share it, and they will definitely get the benefit. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. I wish you all the very best from my side. One most important thing I forgot to tell you, that very soon I'm going to launch the most important list of questions covering approx 200 to 250 questions at exam time. See, on exam time we need to cover the most important question. I will give you that list very soon. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching the lecture. We'll meet you very soon next time. Thank you so much.